today we'll talk about how can you search for events on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then here you will find this events here. Can you select it or just click here and add here chime, then here filter here, and if you want to select categories of events here, so then here can you search or add your uh, events you're looking for on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you I give it. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.